My name is Jennifer Martinez Perez. My course English 2 Word Level 1 and instructor Dayana Carreño Ortiz. Presentation My Shater Curlina Castillo. She's my mom. Personal information gave 15 years, nationality Colombia, Lichin, Puerto Wilches, Santander. Birthday, during birth, December 7. We always celebrate the day as a family. Haiku passion, homemaker, she is responsible, caring, and very hardworking. Activity she enjoys. She like cleaning and keeping the house tidy. She feels good whenever is clean, cooking delicious meals. She likes to cook for the family. Activity she doesn't like waking up so early. Having some free time and her free time she enjoys watching TV, listening to music. Conclusion: Catalina, my mom, is a loving, cheerful, and dedicated woman. She loves taking care of her home and enjoying peaceful moments. Thank you so much.